equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure you have the right tools: a screwdriver, replacement motor, and cleaning cloth. First, unplug your Thermomix TM21 for safety. Remove the base screws carefully. Keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base to access the internal components. Next, visually inspect the motor for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any issues, it's time for a replacement. Disconnect the old motor by unscrewing the connectors. Remember, professional diagnosis without obligation is available if you're unsure. Now, take your new motor and connect it securely. Make sure all connections are tight. Before reassembling, clean the internal area with a cloth to remove any dust or debris. This ensures optimal performance. Once everything is in place, reattach the base and secure it with the screws. If you need assistance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple quote before repair. Your Thermomix TM21 is now ready for action. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.